Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nachos red sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ripe tomatoes, 2 to 3 chilies like jalapenos or serranos, 1/4 of an onion, and a couple of garlic cloves. You'll also want some basic spices like cumin, oregano, and salt. This easy method ensures a delicious sauce every time. Next, prepare your ingredients. You can either roast your tomatoes, chilies, onion, and garlic for about 15 minutes until slightly charred, or simply boil them until softened. Once cooled, transfer everything to a blender. Add a 1/4 cup of water, then blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of oregano. Now pour your blended sauce into a saucepan over medium heat. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This simmering process allows the flavors to meld beautifully and helps the sauce thicken naturally. If it's too thick, add a tablespoon of water. If too thin, let it reduce a bit longer. Your delicious homemade nacho red sauce is now ready. Serve it warm over your favorite crispy nachos. Use it as a base for tacos, or even as a flavorful dip. For storage, simply transfer any leftover sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it for up to 5 days. It's perfect for meal prepping. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.